you may be wondering what's inside this box. But one day, I was hanging out with Dad. They saw this boat and I said, can I have it? And Dad said, yes. So Daddy bought it. It was on Amazon. And it's a toy boat, of course, with the RC remote control. It also can go, it can also flip upright when it flips upside down. Can you believe that? Believe it or not, it can. So let's get on opening. Okay, so now time to unboxing. Oh yeah. Oh. It is. Oh.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa.
Hold on. Just look at this. It also has this. Look at this. This is cool. The top, the side, the bottom, and the others. Okay, I finally found the way. Daddy helped me, so now I'm gonna unbox this.
There you go.
Oh! This is blue yellow.
So you
And instructions here. Oh wow! Look at the boat itself, dude. Look at the boat itself.
is that your favorite color?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it sure is. Oh, you can also open it. It's cool. Good old remote control is in
Okay.
here.
All right. So what is that
And
one?
They have, oh, good. They were helpful. So they gave us the things. They
What
gave us whatever this is,
Okay.
and this remote control that apparently seems to be stuck. Okay, so here are the parts. They have this, and they have this, which makes it turn. It's also very soft. Okay, so we finally figured it out. So here, so you have to put the 3 batteries, and this is what it looks like. So this is when it turns on. This is when it turns. Like that. You see that? That's what controls this part, and that part controls this part.
Yeah. Be careful. That propeller.
So, now let's take it for a water dive. Okay, it should be
Right. Use the propeller. Ooh.
That is
And then try to move.
cowboy cool.
This is the way to navigate rudder. Can you move the rudder?
Yeah.
Okay. See this one? Yeah. You want to do slowly, not too fast. Okay. So you want to go left, right. That's the one you want to move. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it's cool. I would recommend this for grown-ups help to do this since my dad's recording and he's helping me. So I recommend you for a grown-up for help.
Okay. Yeah.
I recommend a grown-up for help. Well, welcome to another epic episode, and today, if you remember, blue one, it actually got a lot of water, so we sold it, and we have a brand new one. But if you kids don't know, this has been past the past few weeks. This is good for at least 2 days, so we'll see if this one works. But first, let me show you the controller. See, it's different. But now I'm gonna test it in the California
This is Richmond Bay.
Richmond Bay. Okay, so, but this is the first water test. So, we have to go like so. So, I'm gonna go down here.
Did you get it?
Oh, there we go, it's in the water.
Okay. All right. Moment of truth. Forward. What are you doing backward? No, you have to go forward.
Come a bit down here. Dad, won't you come down here? So, I'm gonna test it.
Go. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh. Keep going. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Keep going. Don't pull. Go right, right.
Oh my god.
Pretty fast.
That's too fast. Too fast.
Oh! Did you see that?
No, it's like...
Yes or no?
Too fast.
One. Okay, we'll go slow, Molly, for you. You can. We'll go slow for you. We'll go slow.
Come on, come on. Let's catch it. Oh, look at
It's a
that
teamwork. It's a teamwork. Come on. So we are doing left and right, left and right.
I don't feed it to the goose.
Yeah. Goose is thinking like, hey, what is this guy doing here and you? It's making zigzag eggs.
I hope a sailboat, a light sailboat doesn't hit it and flip there.
It was, because it has much technical control.
It's never gonna flip.
Well, it's gonna flip, but it has a technical
Oh! Ay!
Grassland. Thank you. Grasslanding. Okay, go, go, go. Yeah, go.
I'm trying my green toy boat.
Yeah, you're training for a captain, right? When you get older, you will buy new boats yourself. And then you can ride. This is the training.
Round and round. Oh my god, you are too fast, Leah.
Hit the throttle. So much fun. Oh, I thought it's gonna hit to the rock.
If it hits this in full speed, then I'm gonna be here. Oh! Come on. What a this perfect balance.
Oh, do you see the splash it's making? Do you see the splash it's making?
Yeah, it's making its own rough speed.
Yeah. Did you get that, Molly?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it at its float.
Oh.
Oh, what is it? There's a wave. No, go, go. Oh!
Oh no.
Dr. Char. as you can see, before it was dry, now it's just completely wet. And as you know, there's a drainage, and the water has finished coming out. There's no water, so we're gonna put the second battery in here. We're gonna change batteries.
So how much fun did you have?
Like $1 billion.
Like a million fun?
Yeah. It even has 2 layers. This and this.
So we have to open this one, open this one, open this one.
And moment at rest.
So you can see there's a little bit, tiny bit of water. I think this tiny bit of water is okay. You can just try it out. If it's a lot of water here, then it's a problem. Because last one we had, what happened? There was a lot of water flooding, right? Yep.
Okay, now for round 2. So I think we kind of bumped it a couple of times. You can see, let me just keep it quite near to the camera. And you can see it's quite like rough. So good thing they have this in case it scratches too much. We can just put this. Okay, who's ready for round 2?
I am ready for round 2. Let's go.
The captain, and who's the staff captain? It's the captain, assistant, staff captain.
captain of the boat?
Me, and the co-captain is Daddy.
Okay, are you ready?
And punch at the boat.
Oh.
You're the turtle, captain.
Oh my goodness. Are you enjoying, Liam?
Captain is navigating the ship. I'm just going
helping
the captain.
Which ocean are you sailing?
This is the Pacific Ocean where we are in the Bismarck Bay.
Oh.
And you can see all the big boats in the background. Go, captain.
What do you mean? This is a ship. Ships go slow.
This is a yacht.
Oh, this is a yacht.
I think like 6
I think it's a $20 million yacht.
Yeah. You can go like 40 knots.
Oh.
Give a throttle. Give a throttle.
Oh. Faster than my camera. Oh.
Thank you for watching Liam Lama Show, and hope you like it. And stay healthy, stay strong. My dad and I will keep on playing tugboat and off camera. And stay healthy, stay strong. See you next. Like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.